Type the required search terms in the search bar and click the official government website. Scroll down on this page and click the button to continue. Select the province where the application was submitted. Select the office for fingerprint submission. Choose the option for making the fingerprint appointment and click the button to continue. Scroll down the page and select the option to request without an electronic certificate. Fill in the required personal details. On this page, you can request an appointment, check the details of your appointment, annul your appointment. Click the button to request. Enter a Spanish phone number and your email address. Here you can select an available appointment and set a preferred time range, morning or afternoon. Enter the CAPTCHA. Note, you have 5 minutes to fill in this data. If you're sure about the selected date and time, click to continue and then confirm the appointment. Double-check all the details. Enter the code sent to your phone. Check the boxes to confirm the information and agree to receive appointment details by email. If everything is correct, click to confirm. This is your appointment confirmation number. Make sure to save it. At the bottom of the page, you can click to print. After printing, click the exit button. Your appointment is now booked.